In this tutorial, I want to show you an advanced setting in Excel that will make it to where Excel will automatically round your data and calculations to be whatever level of accuracy is being displayed on the screen. So here we have some very specific unit prices, number of units, and the total sales for these units. And as I go through and I round this more and more and more, as you can see, the calculation changes and the value in the cell changes to be the rounded figure to where 19 cents, 20 cents, and then to 0. And as you can see, the value in the cell automatically changes to this. Now, to turn on the setting or off the setting, I go to File, Options, and from here I go to Advanced, where I will scroll down until you will see an option for when calculating this workbook to be set precision as displayed. By default, this option is not checked and is something that in most cases you don't want this to be checked. To turn it off, uncheck this box, and Excel will kind of behave like it normally does, and even if you round the data, the value in the cell does not change to be what is shown on the screen. As you can see, the value in the cell is 0.89, even though when rounded it shows as $1, so it's so accurate. But when the setting is turned on, as I will see when calculating this workbook, set precision is displayed. Note, and it will pop up with a warning that says data will permanently lose accuracy. Whenever I click OK, show you what it does, I click OK. Now the value is not 89 cents, it's $1, and the value changes as well. This is only really useful in some niche cases if you have some very specific numbers and you just want it to be exactly what is shown on the screen when printed. For example, it can look a little bit wonky if this was a much greater unit value. And where even just the tiniest change can change this number quite a bit. So you want the printed numbers to look exactly the same as the rounded number, then that's where it might be useful. But more often than not, the round function will just kind of get you where you need to go. Also, it's just good to know that this setting does exist, because if you open a workbook and it looks wonky, like, hey, this is, why is this calculating, different whenever I change the rounding, that's one of the things that it could be, is this weird setting. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.